Meet Hitch-Home, the beginning of a new era in vehicle tent. Tents often become a cozy retreat for a relaxing getaway. But let's be honest, sometimes setting up a tent can take up your entire day. And those rooftop tents, romantic at first, but the climbing, seriously? Traveling with lots of stuff and the tent takes up so much space? But now, Hitch-Home's got you covered. Hitch-Home, it's a breeze to attach and detach, allowing easy movement to various travel destinations. At just 35 kilograms, it easily hitches to most vehicles thanks to the lightweight, detachable case-type tent. Setting up Hitch-Home, all you need is 3 minutes. Lay out the mat, pump in the air, and just give it a moment for your air tent to inflate. And voila! The world's first hitch-type air tent, Hitch-Home, ready to roll. No ladder needed with Hitch-Home, just the right height for easy access to your space. The sturdy design ensures stable comfort, letting you fully enjoy your journey without any disturbance. You can easily separate the vehicle and the Hitch-Home tent, park the vehicle in your desired space, and use the tent separately. Experience all-in-one Hitch-Home with additional awnings and fly sheets. It'll make your camping experience cooler or warmer, just the way you like it. Packing up is as quick as setting up, just 5 minutes, because your journey home shouldn't be tiring. Through the versatile shelter connection, Hitch-Home offers diverse usability in all seasons. Meet Hitch-Home, the beginning of a new era in vehicle tent.